Hey gang, it's me, Mrs. Miller in Paradise. Today we are at EPCOT. Haley and Cody are with me. We'll see if they want to be on it. They said they were tired, but there's a couple new things that we're here for. One is a new Encanto show, and the Communicore Hall is open and the walls are all supposed to be down. So we're here to check that out, and probably the pass holder lounge because we haven't checked that out yet, and just have a fun day at EPCOT with no festivals. That does not happen often. So y'all come with us. Let's go have a great time at EPCOT. Okay, so normally the Encanto show is going to be outside, but because of the rain, it's going to be inside. This is the new Communicore Hall, and I think it just opened today. Is that right? It opened yesterday. Okay.
Brand new.
Brand new. So we will see what's going on in here and show you the show as much as we can.
I think I hear someone coming. Yes, Vamos a bailar,
Alright, we're headed to Soarin'. It says 30 minutes. I hope that's right. 30 minutes. Stand by for Soarin'. I love Soarin'. I may show a little of it. I'm not sure. We've shown it before. But anyway, here we go. One of my favorite rides in Disney. Are y'all ready for Soarin'? Ready for takeoff. right, we're gonna try and go get on Living with the Land. It says 15. We shall see. Hopefully it'll go quicker than that because it's got, the boats are big.
Well known around the world. These are just a few of the edible plants that have been an important source of nutrition for people living in the tropics. Many are rich in vitamins and minerals, while others are well adapted to growing in less than ideal conditions. Some, like the water lily, thrive in wet, swampy areas and waterways. All parts of this plant, even the flower petals, are edible. The starchy root of the plant has long been used to make flour for
And there's a group of other people over there doing the Behind the Seeds tour. That's an extra thing you can pay for and learn all about what they're growing and things like that.
More than 28 million tons of bananas are eaten annually.
Hidden Mickey.
Our small fish farm produces nearly 5,000 pounds of fish each year to serve in restaurants around all over the world. Innovations like this South Africa use powerful harvest and still protect the natural
Some shrimp. Yep. I knew there's more Hidden Mickeys in here. And a mini. The big Hidden Mickey. That's a big cabbage.
Learning how to increase yields of these staples is an important goal of research around the world. These plants are definitely this one small
They're
area.
definitely down with the Hidden Mickeys in here, though. There's a lot of them.
Some of our best ideas have been inspired by nature, like these fruit.
Yeah. There was a Hidden Mickey in the tomatoes that was growing naturally. I don't think I caught it, but it's pretty cool. And some really pretty flowers. I don't remember seeing all those before.
The future of agriculture may include innovative ideas like this vertical growing system. Plants grown in this way use a fraction of the space required by traditional growing methods. That saves water and increases production. The aquaponics system on your left combines hydroponics with aquaculture. The fish provide a natural source of fertilizer for the plants, and the plants help keep the water clean for the fish. It's another great way to produce more while using less. In our lab, EPCOT scientists are working with the U.S. Department of Agriculture on a number of innovative projects. The goal of these efforts is to produce higher-yielding and better quality plants.
All right, we're in. So they no longer have the restaurant in here. They turned it into the annual pass lounge, and I don't know how long that'll stay that way. But you can come in and you get snacks and water. And you can meet Jeannie. He just left. We barely missed him, but I'm gonna grab some snacks and rest for a little bit. It is pouring rain. So anyway, but it's really pretty in here. And I think we'll probably maybe get to meet Jeannie when he comes back. Alright, so we're in the pass holder lounge. And we got some Chex Mix, some tropical fruit and nut trail mix. We got a little cute little button. And we got some Moroccan mint tea. So I've got to add sugar and honey to it and sweeten it up. But I'll show you also my TEMU backpack. I'll put a little button on there in a little bit. We're going to rest and enjoy the snacks, get out of the rain for a little bit, and hopefully meet Jeannie in a little bit.
Hopefully.
Oh, Jeannie came out. We got a big reception too. All right, I think we're going to get in line and get some pics. Somebody's excited.
I am.
All right, Haley and Cody are meeting Jeannie right now. Thank you. Thank you.
Friends, big smile, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Got it.
All right.
Thank you so
Then
much.
we'll trade off.
Yeah, no,
I'm
swap
gonna
with
go
you.
meet. You want to scan your bed?
Oh yeah, well we're all together. We're all together.
yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, big smile here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3.
Woohoo! All right, we're in Germany, and we're gonna go in here, and hopefully I'm gonna try something that I've heard is amazing and I've wanted for a long time, and that is pretzel bread pudding. So we shall see. I hope they have it, and I hope it's amazing. Alright, I'm going to talk loud because it's loud back here. There's nowhere to sit. There are some tables out there, but they're soaked with rain, so I'm just going to stand. This is the pretzel bread pudding. And I got a free cup of iced water, and this was, I think, $5 even. Cheers. That's amazing. Y'all want to try?
Thank you.
I don't think either one of them like bread pudding very much.
It's okay.
As far as the snack though, the price of it, this is amazing. Definitely get the pretzel bread pudding. So we're in Germany and we're in the caramel store, and they got all kind of cute stuff in there. But it smells unbelievable in here. Oh, they got the bags of caramel corn right here. They made fresh. And it smells amazing. Haley, what are you getting? Caramel butter bar. Butter bar. Oh. It's good. I mean, that looks amazing. Look at that. Brown sugar butter. Oh, I'm gonna have going to a diabetic coma right here. That looks good too. It's $7 for the bag of the fresh. Look, I just had to show those caramel apples how cute they are. There we go. Hi. Can I get a bag of the popcorn and 2 of the caramel butter bars?
You can go to the second row.
Okay. She got it. Yeah, thank you. They're with me. I bet that salted caramel cupcake is amazing. Boy. I'll tell you, I wish we had the smell-o-vision. It smells unbelievable in here. So right next to the caramel store, there's a Christmas store, and it's year-round, and they always have unbelievable ornaments in here. This is a pickle tree. Let's see what else they got. And usually when they do the Festival of the Holidays, they'll have specific ornaments, and they're usually incredible. We have a few that we've gotten over the years. Yeah, these are all like you can see, they're handmade, very fragile. $42.99. The little bear is $29.99. It's pretty wreath.
My whole 47 years.
So let's see what we've got over here. We've got some shirts. That's really cute. I love this shirt. $40. But I'm absolutely in love with that shirt. And then we have a sweatshirt, which is way too hot for that, and that's $54.99 for that. So yeah, super cool in here. Year-round Christmas store with some beautiful, beautiful things. These are cute. The little bride and groom, $34.99 each, but those are precious. Those are beautiful. Got a bunch of different nutcrackers over here. Ooh, I see. I love these plaid ones. These are stunning. $21.99. So these are cheaper, and I'm obsessed with these. They're incredible. Yeah, I mean, these are cute with some little stockings, little fireplace. Oh, the raccoon is really cute. That's adorable. Little mouse. So yeah, if you're in Epcot, come by the Germany Pavilion for sure. Come in and get you some nice caramel treats. And check out the Christmas store. Yeah. Did y'all find anything? Oh, a Mickey pickle. That is adorable. I think people hide them in their trees, and I think if you find it, you get a special present or prize or something, but that's a big tradition, is hiding a pickle ornament in a tree.
Oh, I was wondering.
In Germany.
In Germany, yeah.
Is it a pickle ornament or an actual pickle?
I hope it's an ornament.
I mean, and that's all in German, so, okay, there it is. If you want to read about the tradition, here it is.
I'm not going to read it. You can pause it and read it. The Christmas pickle. Yeah, you get an additional gift. Yep. If you find it.
Okay, it is a glass one, not a real one.
Yeah, good.
Womp womp.
Yeah, no, I'm hoping they don't hide real pickles in the trees.
We wish you lots of joy searching for the pickle together.
Woo.
Oh, okay, well, when it comes Christmas time, I'll come back and get a pickle.
There you go. I know the cats and the dogs would love that.
Oh,
Putting real pickles in the tree.
Oh, yeah,
I got
no.
you.
They were in our caramel.
They're
Cody
safe.
to the rescue.
They're safe.
All right, onward. All right, that's the name of the caramel store. I don't know how to pronounce it, but that's where you get all those amazing caramel treats, which we will sample and let you know how they are, by the way. And here are the janitors. Woo! I think that's the janitors, maybe not. No, I think that's a German. There we go. Moving out. That's what that is. Cool.
Thank you so much. Everyone I saw is kind of warmed up right now, but I feel like it's time to meet you. So please make some noise for my good friend, Ete.
All right, we're going in here to the Grand Fiesta Tour in Mexico. Haley said they've got a bunch of new merch, so I can't wait to see that. And of course, we're gonna ride it. That's one of Cody's favorite rides. So, still, it's drizzling now. It's not pouring like it was. So, yeah, headed into the Mexican pavilion. Cody spotted some. He found it. That's cute. How much is that? No price.
That's really dope.
They've got ears. Are they lounge fly? Yes, they are lounge fly.
And the bow does come off on these.
Oh,
It's removable.
okay, a removable bow. That's really cool.
So technically guys can
Wear
rock
these
these too. I mean, whoever can rock whatever.
Yeah.
Right? But
I wonder how much these are. $44.99, I think. We've got the lounge fly backpack. I'm sure that's going to be, oh, it's $89. Went up $1. See if they have any more shirts or anything other than that one. I don't see any yet, but we'll be on the lookout after we look at that weight. There is no weight. Let's go. We found some more. It's like a poncho, I guess. And that is $60. I really thought that'd be more than that. Cute little mug. $20. Cody, you need this.
Right, I do.
You do. That's super cute. That one's cute. How much is that one?
Good question.
well, 25 each if you buy 2 of them.
Oh, okay.
So I guess they're
That's
30.
really cool.
Yeah.
I like that. I like that better than the other one.
how this has EPCOT.
That's cool.
I like that.
And there's a little kid shirt.
I guess so.
So yeah, pretty neat stuff. Yeah, I wish it wasn't a crop top because then I would want it. I guess I'm glad. And there they are, the stars. And this is not quite a walk-on, but basically it is. Maybe 3 minutes. I was telling Haley I wish the food in that restaurant was better because it's stunning. It's stunning in here. It's beautiful watching the boats go by. Unless they've changed the menu or something. The couple of times I've eaten here, I did not really like it. But I don't know, maybe we should give it another shot. What do you think?
I don't know. It's a little too pricey.
Yeah, it is very expensive. Alright, we're on a quest to go find Donald. Let's go. Small World, Mexico style.
think he heard you. How was it? I don't know if you can see me.
It's kind of dark. But it'll probably show up.
We'll be watching for you. Viva Mexico!
That's how you know it's good.
You go
All
ahead.
right.
Look at the paper. That's how you know it's good.
Yep, that's all that real butter. This was the caramel butter bar. Ellie said they're amazing, so we'll see if it's as good as that pretzel bread pudding. Good. She didn't try the pretzel bread pudding, but
Yes, I did.
Oh,
Not
you
on
did?
camera though.
Oh, that's right. Okay. She said this is better.
In my opinion.
And I got 2 bars and a bag of the fresh popcorn. And it was $14.96 with the annual pass discount. So you do get an annual pass discount on it, which I was surprised. But all right, let's see if Cody likes it.
I'm excited. Hey, it's good. It's real good.
With
I'm a big caramel fan, so.
Okay, yeah. All right, Haley. I'm gonna hand the camera to you. Let's try this. It smells amazing. That's amazing. That's very good.
I had to get some more.
Haley's having fun being the camera woman. Now let's everybody try the popcorn. Oh no, I'm tearing the bag. So I want to bring some of this home to Randy.
So what popcorn is this?
Don't give Haley the camera. This is Werther's original handcrafted caramel popcorn.
Ooh, okay.
And that's made fresh. This wasn't in the bag, been sitting there. This is made fresh. Alright, let's see what Cody thinks.
Reminds me of like the caramel mixes in a lot of the popcorn like buckets you can get or tins, but like better. So like a better like brand name version of it, I guess. It's really good.
That was a very good description of it. I know exactly what he's talking about. But this is excellent. I definitely recommend.
Sorry.
Getting the fresh
Trying to not get
bag instead of the packaged bag because you don't know how long that's been sitting there. All right, are you gonna try it?
I did already.
Oh, did you like it?
It's good.
All right, where do you rate the popcorn? Out of 10.
Probably 9.
9.
Yeah, about the same.
Yeah.
About an 8.5, a 9. Really good. Not the best I've ever had,
Yeah.
but really good.
Same. What about the bar?
I still need to try it a little more. But so far, I'd probably say about an 8 or a 9 as well.
Yeah. I think Haley gives it a 10. Yeah. I'm going to agree with the popcorn, probably about an 8. The bar is a 10, but I'm still going to go with the pretzel bread pudding as the overall winner with like a 12. Just
There you
for
go.
me. All right, we're going to enjoy, and then we're going to go ride Guardians of the Galaxy. Our queue's been called, and we're going to have our snack real quick and hop on Guardians. All right. We have been called. We're going to get in line. And normally, when you get called, you do still wait in line. Like,
Usually, in my experience, it's at least half an hour. Once you get
I'll take half an hour. Randy and I, it was an hour.
Oh,
So
Ours normally is like 30, 45.
I'll take 30.
Yeah, around that.
I'll definitely be okay with 30, but
I'll tell you exactly how long as soon as the line is when we come in.
yeah.
Another rich person.
It's drizzling again. So I'll be ready to get back inside. Alright.
Up his spaceship.
Wish us luck.
Over the course of our year, Xandar experiences periods of total sunlight, shifting to periods of total darkness. During the light cycle, our triple suns can appear close together in the sky, creating spectacular sunsets and sunrises. The light casts moving shadows across the city.
Slowly making our way around. It's definitely been a long wait.
Xandar would have never survived.
EPCOTians, citizens of EPCOT. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, EPCOT TREATS. I am Centurion TEMU, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about it.
And creations, yeah, I get creations and connections mixed up, but this is really cute. Little snack collection, and it's 88. That's really cute. We're just kind of walking around. Cody went to do single rider on Test Track because it closes, I think, the 18th. So he wanted to ride it one more time before it closed, but Guardians pretty much did me in, so that's cute. It's all about the fireworks. So we just thought we'd walk around and see if they have anything new. And then probably just find somewhere and chill until he finishes. Then we'll wrap up. Ellie, here's you a 4-park shirt. 40. That is cute. I like this one. Best vacation ever. But I live here, so that doesn't apply to me. I guess
Every day is a vacation.
it's not though. This is the full
I
park.
love this one so
Yeah, lounge fly. And 88. But yeah, that one's really awesome. And we've got puzzles. That's cool. 500 piece puzzle, $40. So break it down to $10 each puzzle. It's not that bad. Oh, lost my magic band. BRB. They've got some of the Figment lounge flies back in stock. Looks like they've got tons of them. Let's see here. 88. Oh, the back is cute. The back has wings. Cute. That's really
I think
cute.
you can turn them to where they're
Where they stick it. Yep, you can turn them out. Let me see it when you do that.
Well, this one's not one.
Oh, there we go. That is cute. He's flying. They have a lot of cute lounge flies. These are really pretty. I love all these sparkly ones. Really like this color. It's very summery. We've got this pretty blue. And these are 98. So yeah, the sparkly ones are more. But I still, one of my personal favorites is this one right here. One day, maybe if that'll come to the outlet. I like that one too, the red one. And that's cute. I'm not a Star Wars fan. But the Baymax is cute.
Okay, that's probably why.
The Lion King one is cute. Then we got Marvel. And up. Lots of lounge flies. Ooh, I like this one. I love this one. Let's see how much it is. 78. That's more my speed. And I like that front pocket too. And that rose gold is pretty as well. Alright, keep moving on so you can see any more new stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a super cute 4th of July shirt, but it is a child size. Don't see a price either. They do.
This is what the adult version looks like.
Oh, okay, that's
They
the
just
adult
left
version.
characters on.
No characters. I like the characters on there. I think it
I
adds
do too,
something
but I
to
still
it.
really like this.
Yeah. Let's see. There's no price tags on them. Here's these ears that I'm obsessed with. Don't see any prices on the shirts. So. And again, the matching lounge fly. Alright, I think we're going to go sit and rest. Just got to get it close so you can hear me. The music's really loud, but we're going to wrap it up and head on home. It's been a fantastic day despite the rain. It turned out really good. We got some really awesome treats in Germany. I highly recommend checking that out. We got on Guardians. It did take us an hour once we got called to actually get in, so pretty worn out after that, but it's been a fantastic day. The Communicore Hall, I didn't see anything special about it really. It's just a place to sit. Now there's a place you can meet Mickey, but we didn't do that. But the Encanto show was cute. I think it would have been better if it was outside on the stage where it was supposed to be, but it was fun seeing the kids get to dance with Mirabelle and Bruno. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed coming along with us to EPCOT today while we tried some new things. And please subscribe to the channel and give it a video. I'm so tired. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Click that notification bell. I'm gonna let Haley and Cody wrap it up.
Go ahead.
Remember,
Paradise is a state of mind.
there we go.
And peace out, Girl Scout.
All right, let's go home, guys.